English Learning Network.
Which bus goes to Central Park?
The bus number 9 goes there.
Does this train go to Riverside Park?
No, it doesn't. You'll need to transfer.
Is there a direct bus train to Holy Cross Hospital?
Yes, there's a direct route.
What is the route number for Crystal Museum?
It's route number 5.
How can I get to Western Mall from here?
Take the bus number 23 from Icon Street bus stop.
Where does this train go?
It goes to New Jersey.
Is this the right platform for the bus to South Street?
Yes, this is the right platform. Does this route stop at Central Mall?
Yes, it stops there.
Does this train stop at Brooklyn?
Yes, it does.
Which stop should I get off at for downtown?
You should get off at Hilltop Road.
What time does the next bus leave?
It leaves at 5 p.m.
How often does this train run?
It leaves
Every
at
30
5
minutes.
p.m. Is this the last bus today?
No, there's another one at 9 p.m.
What time does the last train leave?
It leaves at 4 p.m.
How long does the journey take to Canada?
It takes about 12 hours.
Are there buses on weekends?
Yes, but the schedule is different.
What's the first train in the morning?
The first one is at 7 a.m.
How many stops are there until Green Valley Hospital?
There are 2 stops.
Is this an express train?
No, it's a regular service.
Is there a night train service?
Yes, there's one every 2 hours.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy it at the counter.
How much is a ticket to Washington?
It costs $20.
Do I need exact change for the bus?
No, the driver will give you change.
Is there a pass for unlimited rides?
Yes, you can get a week pass.
Can I pay by card?
No, cash only.
How much is a round-trip ticket?
It's $30.
Do I need to validate my ticket?
Yes, at the machine.
Can I buy tickets online?
Yes, through the app.
Is the ticket refundable if I don't use it?
Yes, but only under certain conditions. Do children ride for free?
Yes, if they are under 3 years.
Is there a map of the train routes?
Yes, it's available on the website.
Do I need to change trains for Wall Street?
No, it's a direct route.
Can I bring luggage on the bus?
Yes, as long as it's not too large.
Can I eat on the train?
It depends on the rules, but usually no. Is the train wheelchair accessible?
Yes, it is. What should I do if I miss my stop?
Get off at the next stop and take a bus back.
Are pets allowed on the bus train?
Yes, but they must be in a carrier.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.